Now we need to discuss view align versus object align. Super important, we use it all the time in the course. So first of all, by default, you're going to be set to object align, and all you have to do is click on an object and drag, and it's going to snap to the surface of the object. Really simple. Whereas if we're in view align, if you go up here and tick on this little icon for the TV, this will turn on view align. So if we try to cut on the top of the object, it's not going to do that. It's going to instead cut from our active view, which may or may not be an intended functionality. Now you're probably thinking, what in the world is the use case of this? Why would I want to use view align? When would I ever use view align? As a matter of fact, you'll be using it way more often than you think. Say for example we had a sphere. I'll just add in a quad sphere here, and I wanted to cut, through the surface, right? So I can go into the front, and if we're in object align and we try to select, maybe we want to cut out the corner, right? And we select up here maybe, what it's going to do is it's going to snap to that vertex, whatever vertex or face is right there, it's going to snap to, and then it's automatically going to be angled simply because the entire curvature of a sphere is angled by default, and you're going to get this type of effect going on. Instead, what we would want to use is view align. So we go in here, turn on view align, and now if we cut and select the object, it'll be based off of the view and not off of the object surface. So we just go in here, double click, and now we have what we want. And you'll see throughout the course we use both a combination of view and object align all the time. There are two different modes. If we press the D key and go to this menu right here, we have object and view, which we just covered. We also have cursor and world, neither of which I think I've ever used in my life. Cursor basically projects based off of where the cursor is. I've never really found any good use for that. And then there's one for world, which is like the world alignment. I don't really even think I've touched this or experimented with it before. Basically, you're only going to need object and view align in pretty much all cases.